Dropshipping is all the rage among e-commerce entrepreneurs because it's cheap to start and the risk is pretty low. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, this video is packed with essential tips to keep your business running smoothly. Let's get started. When it comes to dropshipping, Aliexpress is often the go-to platform for sourcing products at a competitive price. However, like any business venture, there are challenges that pop up. With dropshipping from Aliexpress, a major hurdle is finding reliable suppliers. To guide you through this smoothly, I've listed the top 5 mistakes to dodge when dealing with Aliexpress suppliers. By knowing and steering clear of these mistakes, you are on your way to making your dropshipping business a success and building a solid, lasting relationship with your suppliers. Mistake number 1: not researching your supplier thoroughly. First up, the biggest mistake that many dropshippers make is not doing enough homework on their suppliers. It's not just about finding a supplier, it's about finding the right one. While Aliexpress has a vast and diverse pool of suppliers, not all of them may be the right fit for your business. It is crucial to thoroughly research potential suppliers before committing to work with them. Some key factors to consider include product quality, shipping times, and customer reviews. By taking the time to research and carefully select your suppliers, you can ensure a smoother and more reliable dropshipping process. It is very important that you do not choose the seller based on price alone. Remember that from the seller you choose depends on your customer satisfaction and much of the success of your business. Too many refunds and returns can quickly lead to failure. In general, you should look at the seller feedback, his scorecard, how many years he has been in business, and whether he has a well-stocked warehouse. If the shipping time is long and the score is below 4.6, I would avoid a supplier, because it means that he also dropships, and therefore probably takes 1 week to ship. But be careful, because it can take up to a whole month before shipping, and that would be a disaster for your store. And speaking of that, I created an advanced course on everything you need to know about Aliexpress as a dropshipping supplier. This course, like all the courses I create, are done with you, meaning they are designed specifically to deliver results. And so, inside there are step-by-step procedures, as well as strategies for finding the best suppliers and the best products, how to make returns, and much more. To learn more, you will find the link in the description below. Mistake number 2: not checking shipping times. Next, we are talking shipping times. They can make or break your customer's experience. Long shipping times, you are going to see those order cancellations and negative reviews pile up. To avoid any mix-ups or issues down the line, I strongly suggest giving each supplier's information a good double-check before you place your orders. Taking a moment to make sure everything is up to date and correct can really smooth out your dropshipping process to enable you to focus on growing your business and delivering extraordinary customer experience. Remember, pay attention to the little details makes all the difference in keeping a great relationship with your suppliers. Mistake number 3: overlooking product quality. Never compromise on the quality of the products you sell. Ordering samples for yourself is an excellent way to ensure the products meet your standards and will satisfy your customers. Choose the product as if it were for yourself, or a gift for a loved one. Don't you want the best? You need to make sure you get the best, not only as the usefulness of the product, but also as the quality of the materials. Plus, by having the product on hand, you can also see what packaging the seller ships the product with, if it looks good, if the shipping is fast, and you can also easily get details, videos and photos for your ads and website. This way, you make the most of the investment you have made of product samples. Taking this initiative can save you from customer complaints and returns in the long run. Mistake number 4: not reading reviews. Reviews are super important in the dropshipping world, especially with Aliexpress suppliers. It's really important to take a close look at supplier reviews to gain a comprehensive understanding of their dependability, service quality, and level of customer satisfaction. By neglecting this crucial step, one runs the risk of encountering potentially dire consequences, such as untimely shipments of super quality products that fail to meet expectations. In particular, I suggest you read the negative ones, or the people who left 4 to 3 stars out of 5. What are they complaining about? If you find people complaining about quality, shipping time, or maybe not enough packaging, if for example the seller shipped the product in an envelope with a few bubbles and the product arrived scratched, or even worse, broken, even if he has few negative feedbacks, I would avoid such a seller. He may have the most beautiful product in the world, but if it is problematic, let it go and look for something else. Luckily, AliExpress has millions and millions of products. There is no shortage of choice. So, make sure to take the time to carefully check out those reviews. It's a crucial step you don't want to miss. Mistake number 5. Failing to plan for returns. No business in e-commerce can avoid a certain number of returns. It is true that by personally ascertaining the quality of the product, you will reduce this risk. But there still remains a percentage of people who will ask for returns for a variety of reasons, and this you have to accept from the start. It is part of the game. AliExpress has made returns possible in 15 to 20 days, especially for certain key countries where you can sell successfully. During the stage when you are looking for your supplier, be careful that it says free returns in 15 days. By accepting returns, people will trust you more to buy from your store, and may even give positive reviews about it on highly rated sites like Trustpilot. And that will help position your brand above your competition. Establishing a straightforward and detailed return policy helps manage customer expectations and shields you from unexpected returns. This improves the customer experience and protects you from unnecessary liabilities. Hence, it is important that you make sure your suppliers accept returns. If you follow all these tips, you will certainly reduce customer service problems, returns by a good percentage. And that means you will have fewer losses and increase your profits. This is a good recipe for success to follow, especially at the beginning. That's all for today. If you like this video and found it interesting, give it a like. If you have any question, put them in the comments, and when there are at least 20 questions, I will organize a question and answer session and basically give you a free consultation. Take advantage of it. See you in the next video. Bye!